Yeah. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to create a handheld marble maze table. Oh, that's like MMM. For this project, right, we are working with a budget of only $10. So what can you purchase with $10? So these ice cream sticks, you know, they come in a box of 200 pieces. It's $2. And for the adhesive, you can either use super glue, which is like 50 cents from those value dollar shop, or you can use any Yoo-hoo glue from Art Friend and all that. Yeah. So that totals amounts to I think under $10. Yeah. So let's begin. So to create this marble base, right, we gotta first, you know, attach these ice cream sticks to create a rectangular base. Okay, so to align the ice cream sticks, right, I think I will use a ruler just to align, so it's easier to work with. And I'll first, you know, lay out all these ice cream sticks. Exactly how many? Yeah, I think that's good. I will start applying some adhesive, the Yoo-hoo glue. Yeah, and just apply it generously. Once I'm done, you know, remember to cap it, align, and then you start attaching the glue piece. Alright, so I'm done making this first module. Now all you gotta do is repeat it 5 more times, and it'll be done in 3, 2, 1. Aha, here we go. What we want to do next is to attach all 6 modules together into one giant rectangular block. Apply some adhesive on the, you know, the ice cream sticks, just like that, and then you will attach it down, just like this. Okay, repeat it again. I'm just doing random patterns right now, but you can you can make it more. You can make it neater if you like. Alright, so now that we are done attaching, you know, just flip it and this is the right side. Okay, so this is officially the base of this marble maze. What's the third M? What's the third M? Marble maze table. So the next thing is we want to create a wall, you know, for this maze. Need to have an entry point and an exit point. Okay, so maybe right now I'll have my exit point on the top left and then my entry point on the bottom right. Wait, I need my plier. Wait, you know, when you're working with the pliers, right, just beware that it's sharp and not put your fingers on the blade. Yeah. So here, okay. Okay, what I will do is I will cut out. Oh! Wait, it already hit the lens?
No, hit my face.
Oh my god,
It's fine, it's okay, it's okay. Let's keep going.
Be careful when you're using this. Don't use it when anyone is around. Yeah, just like that. Okay, so continue sticking. Then we have the first layer. The borders are basically of the wall. Okay, so something like this. You know, you can't really see much of it right now, but once you start stacking it, you know, vertically and then start putting in the interior walls, you know, you will start creating a maze. And what's left would be the ball, and we can start playing it already. Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back. This is Zhao from the future, okay? So previously you guys watched me create the base. Now I have completed the most important and the most exciting portion, which is the maze. So this is made up entirely of just your normal ice cream sticks. I bought a whole bunch of them from Daiso. And yeah, anyone can actually do that. You just need glue and ice cream sticks. So I have this tiny resin printed ball. It can be anything. You can just crush you know, paper and use it as some kind of ball as well. To play this game, see, so there are 2 openings. So this is the entry point, this is the exit point. So to play this game, what I will do is I will actually put my ball at the entry point, you know, and then I will rotate the board and ensure the ball doesn't fall off the board, you know, and I have to roll the ball in such a way where, you know, I can actually exit the other point. Oh, wrong direction, and I'm out. Ta-da! Yeah. So, dear parents, okay, if you guys are ever bored, you know, of or tired of your kids using iPad, right? What you can do is that you can actually propose a family bonding activity with them, creating some art and craft. Okay, so all you need is just ice cream sticks and glue and maybe a pair of clippers, and you and your kid can actually do a whole bunch of things. You know, you don't need to do a maze. You can actually create some kind of house, chairs, objects, lamps, you know, or lighting fixtures and all that. There's a whole bunch of things you can do with just regular ice cream sticks. Yeah, have fun. Okay, bye.